Hi, my name is Professor Cruz Medina, and one of the questions I often get is how to write, or what are we looking for in a rhetorical analysis thesis statement. In previous videos I've looked at literary analysis statements, so this one I will point out some of the differences we see. First, I want to start off with an example of the kind of thing that we might start to think about we can argue from this. The Learning Glass video uses diagrams to appeal to logic. Okay, so that might be the beginning of an argument we might make about this very video. However, with thesis statements, I like to make sure I'm answering a series of questions. And the first one is who, as in who is the speaker of this particular text, and where. Where is this text located? And what? What is the argument of this particular text? And how? How is the speaker attempting to appeal, or what kind of strategy, be they rhetorical or literary, to appeal to a particular audience? And then of course, why does this matter to the audience? The big question of so what, right? So here's another example that kind of takes some of these questions and articulates them out a little bit more and develops them a little bit further. So here we have in this Learning Glass video, so which answers our question right away of where are we seeing this happen? Dr. Cruz Medina answers our question of who is the speaker, argues for a different construction of thesis statements. And right here we have the term argues. So that helps kind of point it out that we can answer, what is being argued? Arguing for these different kinds of thesis statements. And next one, by diagramming an example and appealing to logic. Whoa, the mention of logic right there, and this use of by kind of tells us how are they doing it? By using these particular strategies. Here we are trying to appeal to logic, as it were. And then why? For the purpose of explaining differences across varying genres to his audience. And once again here, we've kind of pointed out this audience here, so it's kind of clear, which can be a good way, something you can leave in or can take out. As you notice here, even if I just left in, for the purpose of explaining differences across varying genres, that would be a perfectly clear thesis. However, sometimes in our thesis statements, we do want to give some of these directional signs, such as including the name of our author, including the name of where the text is, and all these kind of signposts, such as argument and audience there, to help make it as clear as we can to our audience who's reading it. Thank you.